Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So yay, I'm excited again. Every time I do a vlog, keep me excited. So on today's video, we are going to do another beauty product review. So if you want to know what beauty product review I'll be doing today, just keep on watching. Okay guys, before I'm gonna start our beauty product review, so let's say I've been using this product like, let's say, a year and a half already, and I love this product. I highly recommend it for you guys to, if you want to try it too, because you want to try it too. So I have an oily combination. I have an oily skin type. My face is oily, like really oily. So I'm excited to share with you guys what type of foundation I'm using for like a year and a half already, and I love it. I highly recommend it. If you want to try it too, go ahead, because I've been using it for a long time already, and yeah, I love this foundation. By the way guys, I don't have foundation yet because we are doing the foundation review. So I already did eyebrows and eye makeup because I don't save time. So yeah, so before I'm gonna apply my foundation, let's do the basic routine first before applying the foundation. So I'll be using this whatever glossy touch and soul face cream. So this is how it's look like guys, like that. And I'm just gonna put a little bit, because before we are doing a makeup, foundation, whatever, it's nice to put moisturizer first. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my entire face. Alright, done applying my moisturizer, and totally forgot, before applying my moisturizer, I forgot to spray it to my face. This is the Olay mist. I always use it before my moisturizer, so I forgot. So tao lang tayo guys na nagkakamali. So anyways, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna spray it to my entire face. And then after we set the Olay mist, let's move on to the next step. Alright guys, before I'm gonna go ahead to foundation, it's really important to use a primer first, because it's set your foundation good as well. So yeah, so this is how it's look like guys, brown yung color niya. So this is also look like the primer, and I'm just gonna go ahead to put it on all over my face like that. So I'm just gonna blend the primer all over my face. So guys, I love this foundation. I already have two. This is my second one, and this is the old one. I still have left on the inside of the container. So I bought it in Ulta before. So when I go there and ask which foundation is look good on me, it's better for me. So the sales lady tried 3 types of foundation. So this is the one that worked for me, and yeah. So guys, the foundation that I'm talking about is, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation. I'm in the shade golden. So this is how it's look like the box guys, and then this is how it's look like the foundation, the stick foundation. Ayan, nakapangalawang ano na ako, ano guys, kasi gusto ko nga tong foundation na to. Ang ganda-ganda ng foundation nito, promise guys. Hindi siya kiki, kahit, at saka hindi siya, yung pag in-apply mo siya, hindi halatang sobrang kapal ng foundation mo. So, yeah. So, tingnan mo naman guys yung pinakaunang foundation. Yan yung pinakauna, oh. So guys, ito yung una kong foundation, naubos na siya. Actually, hindi pa siya naubos. May konti pang laman, hindi ko lang alam kung paano dukutin yan. Pero minsan ginagamit ko pa rin siya. Yan yung itsura niya. Yan. And then, ito yung takip niya. Yan yung takip niya. Ganyan, jack may ano dito. Yan. So, yan yung shade. Golden. Yung nakalagay ng shade. So, ito naman guys yung pangalawa. Ayan. Ito na yung ginagamit kong ano. Yan yung itsura niya guys. Yan yung itsura ng foundation guys. Yan yung itsura ng foundation. Alam mo foundation na to, nagtatagal din to guys ng around 6 months. Kaya, ano, tipid na rin siya, saka magandang foundation siya. So, itong pangalawa, kasi nga wala na akong time, tamad na akong pumunta sa stores, sa Ulta, meron ito. Pwede nyo rin tong bilihin online. Actually, the same lang sila, parehas lang yung ano nila, yung packaging and everything. So, itong pangalawa, nabili ko to online. So, if you wanna know, curious how much is it, where did I get it, link in the subscription box below. I can't say it right all the time. Link in the subscription box below guys, or where did I get this foundation. So yeah, let's go ahead and apply it to our face. So I'm just gonna put it all over my face guys. Ganyan lang ginagawa ko guys, ganyan. Kahit sobrang kapal na ng pagkakalagay, sasadyain ko dito sa ngayong video na to guys, sasadyain kong kapalan yung pag-apply ko nito. Tingnan natin kung talagang ano, hindi halatang, gustong ko talaga yung foundation na to kasi hindi halatang, kahit kapalan mo yung pagka-apply mo, hindi halatang makapal yung foundation mo. Yun yung kinagusto ko dito. At saka, tawag dito, tsaka yung ano niya, yung coverage niya, medyo may pagka dewy look siya, na healthy, dewy skin looking, whatever you call that. I don't know how do you call that, but I highly recommend this foundation. Okay guys, so I already applied my foundation in my entire face, so I'm gonna use this foundation brush because I love to use foundation brush every time I apply my foundation. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to entire face. So i-zoom ko kayo ng konti guys para makita nyo talaga yung coverage niya. Ganyan lang, ina-apply ko ganyan. Dinadabdab ko lang siya. Tignan nyo guys yung coverage, ang ganda oh. Ganda. Salamat sa sales lady na trinay sa mukha ko yung foundation, na-discover ko yung right foundation for my skin tone. Right product or whatever. So guys, tingnan mo yung coverage niya oh. Yan oh. So pag ito yung ginagamit kong foundation, hindi na ako naglalagay ng another layer ng powder foundation. Ito lang yung nilalagay ko. Hindi ko na kailangan kasi maganda nga talaga tong foundation. So ano ko na to, tested ko na to kasi I've been using this for almost a year and a half. So I love this foundation. So, okay guys, ayan na. Na-blend ko na yun dito sa ano. Ang ganda talaga ng foundation na to. Kahit kapalan mo siya, hindi halatang ang kapal ng foundation mo. So, ginaganon ko lang siya. Dinadagdag ko lang siya. Minsan nga, hindi na ako nagko-concealer sa foundation na to eh. Ganda. So, kung gusto nyong itry, promise guys, ang ganda-ganda ng foundation na to. Mabibili nyo to kung wala kayong time magpunta sa store, sa Ulta o whatever store. Pwede nyo itong mabili online. Parehas din naman. So, binili ko to, itong pangalawang foundation ko kasi nga naubos na yung isa. Binili ko to sa Amazon. The same lang naman siya. So, tingnan mo guys yung ano niya, yung coverage niya. So, tingnan mo guys yung coverage niya, oh. Pasensya na sa pimples. Ang ganda ng coverage niya, oh. Yan. Yun yung wala pang foundation. So, continue ko lang siyang i-blend, guys. And, yeah. So, ito na guys yung resulta ng foundation. Yung isang, applyan lang. So, ang ganda ng ignore nyo lang yung pimples ko kasi parte yan ng buhay. Hindi talaga mawawala yan. So, ito na yung itsura ng foundation. Ang ganda ng coverage guys. Yan o. Tingnan natin kung ipasong ko ng konti. Tingnan natin kung buo-buo yung foundation niya. So, ayan yung itsura ng foundation. Hindi na cover yung mga pimples ko kasi okay lang yan. Pero yung resulta ng foundation, hindi siya kiki. Hindi halatang sobrang kapal ng foundation mo. At saka ganda ng coverage niya. Ayan guys. So, good foundation. Just for fun guys, I already apply foundation. So, just for fun, I want to show you how this foundation is good. It's very good. Even you apply it a lot, it doesn't look like you have too much foundation on. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply again one more time. Okay, na-apply na natin and then let's go ahead and blend it again. So guys, ayan na yung face natin ng pagkatapos nating apply yung pangalawang layer ng foundation. Ang ganda talaga ng foundation na to. Promise, kahit sa in person, maganda talaga yung coverage niya. Maganda talaga yung foundation na to. Ito yung talagang ginagamit ko palagi pag pumapasok ako sa, like almost every day. So this is the foundation that I used almost every day and I love this foundation. It has a very good coverage. It doesn't look like kiki. It doesn't look like you have too much foundation on. So I highly recommend it. I love this foundation. It's a good product and yeah. So pangit naman guys pag ang tawag dito pag sobrang puti ng foundation mo or walang kakorte-korte yung foundation mo. So ang ginagawa ko, maglagay tayo ng konting contour para magkaroon ng shape yung natin, yung face natin. So I'll be using the same brand, Anastasia Highlight and Contour. And then this is how it look like. Yan. So, gagamit tayo ng brush na itong flat. So, ang ginagawa ko, ganyan ko lang siya. Ginaganon ko lang sila. And then, iko-contour natin yung face natin. Ganyan. Para may korte ba yung yan nakikita niyo yung yan. Ito naman sa kabila. Yan guys, yun da. Alam mo minsan ito na yung ginagamit kong blush on. Kita niyo ba guys, may pinagbago siya. Ayan yung color niya. Yan. Para hindi flat yung mukha natin. Tsaka dito rin sa side. Yan. And then dito rin sa Joe. Konti lang. And then, hindi ako marunong sa nose. Basta ko lang siya ginaganon eh. Hindi ako marunong mag-contour sa nose guys eh. So, ganyan na lang. Hindi talaga ako nag-contour ng ilong. So, yan na yung natin, yung face natin. Yan, di ba ang ganda? And syempre guys, hindi mawawala yung blush on. Maglagay tayo ng blush on. Ito yung gagamitin kong blush on. Yan. And then gagamit tayo ng maliit na brush. Ganyan. Promise, ang ganda talaga ng foundation na to. Importante talaga pag nagpa-foundation ka, kailangan may blush on para hindi halatang sobrang puti yung foundation mo. So, this is how it look like. Yan. Okay na yan. Tapos tayo sa blush on. And syempre, hindi mawawala din yung lipstick para makumpleto yung buong makeup look natin. So guys, ito talaga yung paborito kong foundation na palagi kong ginagamit pag gusto kong yung foundation ko pack na pack, bonggang-bongga. So ito talaga yung foundation na ginagamit ko like everyday. Pag pumapasok ako sa work, ito yung ginagamit kong foundation. Kasi magandang coverage ng foundation na to. Hindi halatang sobrang kapal ng foundation mo, hindi halatang kiki, tsaka ang ganda ng coverage, dewy looking siya. So, yeah, pag nabibili ito nyo, pag bumili kayo nito, hindi naman masyadong kamahalan, like $20 something, is not too bad and it's good for like around 6 months. So, maganda na siyang product na tumatagal hanggang 6 months. So, highly recommended. This is a good product. If you wanna try it, if you wanna try it, go ahead. I will put the link in the subscription box below. Basta, ang ganda-gandang foundation to, promise. I highly recommend ito. Ang dami ko nang sinabi, napahaba na ata yung video ko. So guys, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye everyone. Bye.